Good morning. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Thank you for choosing to watch this video, and I hope that you'll like it and decide to become a subscriber. Guys, I am going to do a centerpiece for my Valentine tablescape, which is going to be black, gold, white, and red. Those are my colors that I've chosen for this year. This tablescape, I'm going to use this tree branch as my centerpiece. I did one last year for Easter. Did not share with you guys how I did it. It wasn't a tutorial. I just did it and had it as a centerpiece. So I wanted to create another one this year and do a tutorial so I could share with you guys. So what you will need is a branch from the park or your backyard. You will need a container to put your branches in. You need a foam from the Dollar Tree. You'll need roses, and I'm assuming, I'm not sure, you will need 5. We'll see how many we use. You'll need your glue, sticks, and glue gun. You'll also need your wire cutter, and you're going to need beads. These beads I hauled from Michael's. Some of them came from Michael's, and they are $12.99, 50% off. And I also have a bunch of them in a bag that I got at a yard sale. A lady was selling them, and she sold them to me for $1, the whole bag, which is fabulous. So I've had that for about a year now. You possibly will use the lights. I'm not sure. I did a haul on these lights from the Dollar Tree, and I'm thinking I may want to incorporate them because they are the heart lights. And I've shared with you guys that the hearts can be taken off and become just a regular light. Okay, so this is what they look like. And I'm thinking I may trim the tree or I may fill in the base. Not quite sure yet. We will go through the process and decide then. So let's get started. First thing I want to do, I already laid the glue down inside of my base to make sure that the branch is secure. Decide where you want your front to be, and then you're going to start laying some of your roses. I'm going to go ahead and lay my roses down, and I'll be back to show you what that looks like. So I finished adding the roses to the base of my container and the branch. So now I would like to randomly place a few of my rose bushes onto the tree. I am hoping to keep all my roses attached, just like that. I just took them off the stem, and I'm hoping that they stay together. They feel like they are pretty stabilized. Some of them fall apart when you take them off the stem, so that's what I'm hoping wouldn't happen. Now, you don't need a lot of these roses because you just want to randomly place them on the tree. So you're not going to use a lot. So far there's four bunches of roses that I've used so far. Alright, so now I'm going to start with adding my roses. Just pinpoint where you want them, add your glue, and start adding. I'm going to do one low so you can see. When I come back, I'll adjust the camera so you can see different places that I have added. remember to space them out, guys. We don't want them too close to each other, and they need to be different places. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, finish this up, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I decided to add some baby's breath just to hide where I actually took off the flowers. And because the rose is there, I want to go ahead and add some baby's breath to disguise it so it's not looking badly. Well, not badly, but so that it's not visible that the rose was ripped off its stem. So just basically add the baby's breath, and because it's red, white, and gold anyway, it will work perfectly fine. You can clean up your cobwebs later. And that's basically what I'm doing with that. Just to disguise it. Okay, I've got one more to do. Just wanted to show you guys how I'm adding the baby's breath. I've got one left here. I'm going to add that, then we'll come back and add our jewel. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add the jewels. Just pinpoint where you want them. I went ahead and checked out the length of my stones, and I've got different lengths going on because I want to have them scattered different places but having different lengths. This is the stones that I have. Okay, so just pinpoint where you want them to go. And the ones that are alike, I'm going to keep them close to each other. Trying to pinpoint where I want it to go. Just randomly placed it, and I'm trying to find a place. I think I found a home. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to turn it around and find another place so that I can balance out. Because I believe I have 4 of these same stones, and I want them to be up front and centered. Let's see if it would be better here. Yeah, I think I like it there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, add these beads all over different places, come back and show you the finished product. So guys, I'm finished, and I decided that I did not want to have lights on it. I truly like the way it looks. I'm going to turn it around. Very simple, great statement, elegant. I think this would be perfect for a wedding, centerpiece, bridal shower, and it costs very little, guys. I truly love the way that it turned out. I know I say that all the time every time I do a project, but if it wasn't true, I wouldn't say it. I'm going to put it somewhere where you can get a better view of it, and I'll be back. Okay guys, this is the way it turned out. I hope that you like it as much as I do. I love the roses and the stones together. Let me know if this is something that you would recreate, because it's very quick and easy, but yet simple and elegant. Can't wait to share with you the tablescape. All right, hope you'll share with your family and friends. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will see you on my next video.